You are welcome to Jamasi State TV. My name is Gabi Angel, and you are listening to the state breaking news. Ahafo gruesome crash leaves at least 7 people are reported dead following a car crash at Sankore in the Ahafo region. 3 of the deceased persons were on board a truck when they veered off the road and crashed with a taxi carrying at least 4 persons. A police officer, Romeo Mensah, speaking to City News, said investigations have commenced into the incident, while the bodies are being conveyed to the morgue. You can't even identify them. They were crashed, he said. In addition to the initial crash, fire officers who were called to attend to the accident scene were also involved in an accident. The tender crashed into a truck on its way to the crash site. Nobody is dead, but we have 4 casualties in the hospital from the fire service, an eyewitness said to City News. Thank you. Please, if today is your first time watching our video, or if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we upload any new video, you will also be notified. Thank you.